A loop is just a set of commands that are repeated. All loops have a beginning and an end, and any commands that are between the beginning and end, well, they're the ones that get repeated. With a post-condition loop, the condition is only checked once you've been through the commands at least once. So, for example, if I was going to write out an order, I've ordered stuff in a shop, I don't know how many items the person who's come to the till has got. I'm going to write each item to the file, along with however many they ordered, and I'll keep doing that until I run out of items. But there must be at least one item for them to be at the till and to be paying. So I need a post-condition loop.
So let's now have a look at the pseudocode for a post-condition loop. As always, we start off with program and the program name. I've decided to call this post-condition loop. Next, we define any variables that get used. So I'm going to define a variable called guess. So there's a space in memory, in RAM, called guess, and the computer knows that it will hold an integer, a whole number. Now we can start the program proper. We're going to tell it that there's a loop coming up. And in this loop, we're going to ask the user to guess a number. They're going to see a little message on the screen that says, guess a number. And when they type the number in and press OK, that number is going to go into the memory location that we called guess. Next, the computer is going to check whether guess is 3 or not. If it's not 3, then it'll return. It'll return to the loop command. So the user gets another chance to input a guess. That goes into guess, and if that's not 3, it goes back again. So we'll keep going round this loop all the time that the user hasn't guessed that the number we want is 3. When the user does guess that we want 3, we come to end program. Notice that everything between program and end program is indented, and that anything within a loop is also indented. That way it's easy to see what belongs to what. Now let's have a look at the same program as a mind map. We've got our program plan, and by pressing insert we get to enter the program name. So program post-condition loops. Hitting enter allows us to put the end program in. Now we can go back to program post-condition loops, press insert to be able to declare our variable. Here's guess as an integer being declared. Next we want to create the loop. So there's the loop command. And what this loop does is allow the user to input a number. The user is asked to guess a number. That goes into the guess variable. Whilst guess is not 3, it returns to loop. So everything between while and loop gets run again. And if the user still hasn't guessed that the number we want is 3, it goes round again. When the user guesses 3, the program will stop.